We need to track down Peridot. We found her pod. We know she's out there somewhere. She came to Earth with a job to do, and odds are she's still gonna try to do it. That's why I've gathered you here.
I thought it was so you could help me fold all this laundry.
That too. The chore wheel idea you had fell apart fast.
Wasn't me.
I just really enjoy doing all of those things.
It's better if we do them together.
Humans should just stop wearing clothes. Be a lot funnier.
Hey, I'm a civilified part human, thank you very much. Clothing is a must. This is a lot. I bet this folding would go faster if Ruby and Sapphire were here.
I'm sure they'd be glad to see you, Stephen, but I am not unfusing for laundry.
Garnet, you don't think Peridot would come looking for us, do you?
We weren't her priority. She was sent here to do something in the kindergarten.
Do you think she's still going to try to reactivate it?
If she gets it up and running, the injectors will turn back on.
Injectors? What are those?
You've already seen them. Well, you've seen them disabled. If Peridot reactivates them, they'll pick right up where they left off, planting gems in the crust of the Earth, where they'll incubate and suck the life right out of the ground. We can't let Peridot restart gem production here. If we do, the entire planet will become...
Janked.
Garnet! That mouth!
Don't worry. We'll stop her. Come on, Crystal Gems.
Coming!
As long as we don't have to fold anything.
Stephen?
Come on! That means you too, right?